In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step authentication in Xero. Security is vital, especially when it comes to financial data, and setting up two-step authentication adds an essential extra layer of protection to your Xero account. So, let's dive in together and ensure your account is more secure. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Once you're inside the platform and you find yourself on your dashboard, take a moment and locate your profile photo, which is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that profile picture icon. This click will open up a drop-down menu that provides various options related to your account settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Account. This will bring you to a page that illustrates your account details. Now, here is where we're going to make the necessary changes. Begin by scrolling down the page. Toward the bottom, you'll find the section labeled Multi-Factor Authentication. This section is precisely where we want to focus our attention. Now you'll see the option to set up this additional security feature. You'll click on Setup, which will initiate the process of enabling two-step authentication. You might wonder which tool to use for this process. Well, fortunately, Xero provides flexibility in terms of app choices. You can use apps such as Authy, Google Authenticator, or even Xero's own app to verify your identity each time you log in. If you choose to use Authy or another authenticator app, you'll first need to install that app on your smartphone. Once installed, you'll scan the QR code provided during the setup process. This code is crucial as it links your authenticator app to your Xero account. Alternatively, if you're using Xero's app, simply follow the on-screen instructions specified within the app itself to complete the setup process. Most authenticator apps will then generate a unique time-sensitive code that you'll be prompted to enter into Xero. This secondary code acts as an extra security measure by ensuring that only you have access to this code via your registered device. After entering the code, you'll confirm to complete the setup. And there you have it, a successful setup of two-step authentication on your Xero account. From now on, every time you log in, after entering your password, you'll be prompted to enter a unique code generated by your Authenticator app. This ensures that even if someone manages to get your password, they won't be able to access your account without that additional authentication code. I hope this guide was clear and easy to follow, ensuring your account remains secure and giving you peace of mind when managing your finances on Xero. Remember, staying one step ahead in terms of account security is always worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.